Job in Saudi Arabia, mechanical design engineer HVAC and other staff. This authentic email address of Saudi Arabia engineering firm. You can apply anytime. In description box text available. AfreenAli. Subscribe in YouTube. ALDOUR engineering for contracting. MEP mechanical design engineer HVAC EXP in central HVAC systems design and installation. Mechanical design engineer plumbing EXP in plumbing systems design and installation. HVAC technician EXP in central chillers, air handling, and package units maintenance. CAD designer Mech Elec EXP in MEP CAD design, duct pipe sizing, low current, LV and MV circuit layout, shop drawing. Quantity takeoff. Apply email hr@aldoor.com. National company in Riyadh. Great national company based in Riyadh required the following: experienced and qualified generators, mechanic technician 4, electronics control technician 4, electrical technician 10, air conditioning technician 7. Apply email jobs@raqqa.com.